In today's video, I want to show you how to update iPhone apps. To update your iPhone apps, this is what you can do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your App Store where you normally download apps from. So let's open up my App Store now. So once you open up your iPhone, your App Store app, it will bring you to this App Store homepage. So once you get to this App Store homepage, I want you to check the top right corner. You're going to see a profile icon over there that belongs to you. So I want you to tap on that profile icon. So once you tap on that profile icon, it will take you to the back end of your App Store where you can get to edit or do a lot of things with your App Store account. So what I just want you to do here, I want you to scroll down to locate the app you want to update. As you can see, I have a lot of apps here that are telling me to update. As you can see, Grammarly here is telling me now to update. So to update this app, I will just need to tap on update and this app will be updated successfully and immediately. So guys, this is how you can actually update individual apps on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.